Welcome students, exploring algebraic identities, exercise 4.4 solution. First question, fill in the blanks to complete the following identities. So look at here, x squared minus 11s plus 24 is equal to two factors given, both the factors. We need to find those factors. So let's check this first with our identity. What are the identities we know? Means a plus b the whole squared is nothing but a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Then a minus b the whole squared is nothing but a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And one more, when three terms are there, three identities are there. These are the three identities we can use. X squared plus a plus b of x plus ab. So these are the identities we can get help from these. Look at here, the middle term here is, this is the square term and this is the last term. The middle term is nothing but minus 11s. So we cannot go with a plus b the whole square. We can go with a minus b the whole square. So let's check that one. Here we are having a squared. If we are taking 24 as square root of 24 the whole square, check the middle term, minus 2 into a into b. So we need to get minus 2 square root of 24, yes. But this is not our middle term. Our middle term is minus 11s. So we cannot factorize this as a minus b the whole square. That is wrong. So definitely we have to go with the identity x plus a and x plus b. So what to do for that? X plus a and x plus b means we are having two integers, which is a and b. We need to choose two integers. Those product of these integers should be 24 plus 24, and sum of these two integers should be minus 11. Like that we need to choose two integers. For that, first find the factors of 24. 1 into 24 we can get 24, and 2 into 12 24, then 3 into 8 also 24, then 4 into 6 24. So these are the factors for 24. Now we need to get plus 24 and the sum should be minus 11, which means both the integers are negative integer. Then only minus into minus you will be getting plus 24. Then minus into minus plus 24. Then minus 3 into minus 8 plus 24. Minus 4 into minus 6 plus 24. So both are negative integer. Then only when we are adding these two we will be getting minus 11. Now check the sum. The product is this. Now let's check the sum. The sum of minus 1 and minus 24. Minus 1 and minus 24 sum is minus 25. Then next minus 2 and minus 12 sum is minus 14. Then minus 3 and minus 8 sum is minus 11. Then minus 4 and minus 6, sum of these two integers minus 10. So which is our proper integer? The product is 24. So minus 3 minus 8's product is 24. At the same time minus 3 and minus 8 will give the sum as minus 11. So our integers nothing but a is minus 3 and b is minus 8. So these are the two integers. The product gives plus 24 and the sum gives minus 11. So now split the middle term and find the factors. That is one way. The another way is there. I will tell. My a squared minus 11 plus 24 is equal to a squared. The middle term is minus 11s. Using our a and b we can split it, which is minus 3s and minus 8s, nothing but 11s. So we splitted our middle term. Then 4 terms are here. Now we are having 4 terms. So we need to take the common out and factorize it. First two terms, what are the common factors for the first two terms? For these two terms, s is the common factor. So when we are taking s, we need to divide s with each term. So s square divided by s, we will get s, and minus 3s divided by s, we are getting minus 3. So when we are taking s outside from the first two terms, which is nothing but s into s minus 3. Then look at the next two terms. Now minus 8s and 24, in that minus 8 is the common factor. So minus 8s divided by minus 8, we will be getting plus s, and plus 24 divided by minus 8 is equal to minus 3. So in this two term, we are taking minus 8 out. Then the factors are minus 8 into s minus 3. So like this, we need to factorize. After splitting our middle term, we are having four terms. Then in that, we need to get the common one and factorize it. Now we are having two terms. One is s into s minus 3. Another one is minus 8 into s minus 3. In that, s minus 3 is the common one. So when we are taking s minus 3, the first term is s and the next term is s minus 8. So these are the factors for s squared minus 11s plus 24. This is one way. So our answer is, we got the answer here. One factor is s minus 3. The another factor is s minus 8. The another way, directly we can write, which is nothing but if A is minus 3 and B is minus 8, and we are having s squared minus 11s plus 24 is our quadratic polynomial. Here 1 is the coefficient of s squared, so that directly we can write s minus 3 and s minus 8. If suppose any other number there in the coefficient of x squared, then we need to divide that and get the factor. Now the factors are s minus 3 and s minus 8. Here one factor is x plus 1, another factor you need to find. So what to do? Look at here, once again 3x squared is not a square number, 7 is not a square number. If we are making that root, we will not get middle term. So definitely the identity is x plus a into x plus b. X plus b we got, we need to find what is our x plus a. So look at here, x squared coefficient is 3. So our product term, we need to find what is our sum and what is our product. Here our product term is nothing but 3 into minus 7. So product 3 into minus 7 is minus 21. Then what is our sum? Sum is nothing but minus 4. Let's find the integers. That is 21. What are the factors for 21? We need to get minus 21 means 1 into 21 or 3 sevens or 21. 1 into 21 or 3 sevens or 21. These are the two factors for this. When if we need to get minus 21 means either 1 is minus or 21. Any one of the factors should be negative. Either one. If 1 is negative, then if suppose I am giving negative sign for 1, then I should give positive sign for 11. Suppose I can give positive sign for 1, I should give negative sign for 11. How to decide it? Look at here. See the sign of the sum. Here we are having negative. So greater number should have the negative sign. So the minus 1 and plus is wrong. Plus 1 and minus. if we are having the integer plus 1 into minus 25 will give minus 21. But what about sum of that two, that is plus 1 minus 21 gives minus 20. Choose the next one, that is greater number should have negative sign. So plus 3 into minus 7 gives minus 21. What should be sum of these two? That is plus 3 minus 7 gives minus 4. So these are the two proper integers, that is plus 3 and minus 7. So how to expand it? That is 3x squared minus 4x minus 7. If we are splitting the middle term, 3x squared minus plus 3x, one integer, our a is 3, our b is minus 7. So plus 3x minus 7x minus 7. Now take the common outside. First two terms 3x is common. For the next two terms 7 is common. So how to find the common? 3x squared by 3x will give simply x. Then 3x by 3x is equal to 1. So next for the next two terms minus 7x divided by 7 is equal to minus 7x. I am taking minus 7 as common. So I'll be getting plus 7. So minus 7 divided by minus 7 will be plus 1. Now take the common in an integer and write first two terms 3x is common. When we are dividing each term by 3x, x plus 1 is the answer. Then when we are taking minus 7 as common, we will be getting x plus 1. Now these two terms, for this term and these two terms, as we all know, x plus 1 is common. So the remaining two terms are 3x minus 7. So x plus 1 is there. Our answer now is one more factor. The next factor is nothing but 3x minus 7. So what should be the answer here? 3x minus 7. So this is one way. Let's see the next easiest way. You can follow this, but you have to be very careful while you are following this. That is, what is given? 3x squared minus 4x minus 7 is equal to, our a is here, we chosen our a3, our b is minus 7. Let's write x plus 3, you should divide this by 3 because look at the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 3. We multiplied this 3 with 7, then only we got the product term 21. So definitely you need to divide that by 3. Then next x minus 7 by 3. So we need to write like this. Then x plus 1. Then take LCM, this is nothing but 3x minus 7. So like this also you can find the factors. Either splitting the middle term or dividing like this, you can find the factors. Let's see the next question. Now here we are having 10x squared minus 11x minus 6. So here our product term. What is our product? Product is nothing but plus 10 into minus 6 is minus 60. What is our sum? Sum minus 11. So two integers. Find all the factors for 60. 1 into 60 will give 60. Then 2 into 30 is 60. Then many 60s will come. No. Then what is the next one? 3 into 20, 60. Then 4 into 4 into 15, 16. 5 into 12 also 60. So these many factors for 60. Now minus 60 again, look at the sum sign minus 11. So greater number should have negative sign. So here negative sign, smaller number should have positive, then only you will be getting minus 60 as the product. Now let's check the sum. Sum is 1 minus 60 will give minus 59. So this is wrong integer. We need to get minus 11. So what is the next one? Sum for this 2 minus 30 minus 28. This is also wrong integer. Next sum 3 minus 20 is minus 17. Wrong. Then next sum 4 minus 15 is minus 11. Yeah, this is the correct one. Let's check the next. 5 minus 12 gives minus 7. So, which are the two correct integers? These two. 4 minus 15 is minus 11. 4 into minus 50 is minus 60. So, our A here is 4. And our B here is minus 15. These are the two integer. We can do this in two ways, either splitting middle term or the next one. Now first we can see the splitting middle term, that is 10x squared minus 11x minus 6 is equal to 10x squared minus 11 can be written as plus 4x minus 15x minus 6. Now the common number for 10x and 4x is nothing but 2x. Divide 2x by 10x squared by 2x is nothing but 5x. Then 4x by 2x is nothing but 2. Now take minus 3 as common. So plus 5x, then plus 2. So now the common term is nothing but 5x plus 2 into 2x minus 3. So these are the two factors, 5x minus 2. So what is our answer, required answer here? 2x minus 3. Here we need to get 3 and 5x plus 2. These are the answer, 5x plus 2. Let's check this with the next method, that is, if we are dividing, what can we get? Direct division, that is 10x squared minus 11x minus 6 is equal to, our first integer is x plus 4 by 10. Next integer is x minus 15 by 10. We should divide by 10 because x square coefficient is 10. So x, the common number 2, we are dividing this 2 by 5. Then x, the common number is 5, so 3 by 2. Then multiply this here. We will be having the factor 5x plus 2 is one factor and 2x minus 3 is the another factor. So this method also we are getting correct answer. You can choose any one method and find the answer. Next, 6x squared plus 7x plus 2. Now, what is the product term? Product is nothing but 6 into 2 plus 12. Then sum is nothing but 7. So, what are the factors for 12? 1 into 2, 12. 2 into 6, 12. 3 4s are 12. That's all. Now, plus 12. And sum is also plus. So, both the integers are positive integers. So, find the sum. Sum 1 plus 12 gives 13. And sum of next two integer 2 plus 6 gives 8. Next, sum of these two, 3 plus 4 will give 7. So, these are the two correct integer. 3, one integer is plus 3, another integer is plus 4. So, these are the two proper integers. Now, 6x squared plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 6x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 2. Now, taking common for these two terms, 3x is common. So, 2x plus 1. For these two terms, plus 2 is common. So, 2x plus 1. Now 2x plus 1 is common. 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 2. These are the two factors. Let's check the next method. One minute. Six x squared plus 7x plus 2 is equal to x plus 3 by 6, x plus 4 by 6. So x plus 1 by 2, x plus 2 by 3. It can be written as 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 2. That's all. These are the two factors. So what should be our answer? Factorizing this one, we will be having one factor 2x plus 1, another factor 3x plus 2. Let's see the next question. Select and use the identity that will help you to find the following product without multiplying directly. So 41 can be written as easily 40 plus 1. If we are writing 40 plus 1 the whole square using the identity a plus b the whole square, easily we can expand. A squared 2 into a into b plus b squared. So a squared is 1600, 2 4s are 8, 80 into 1, 80 plus 1. So let's add it. When you are adding this 1680 plus 1. So 1's place 1, 10's place 8, 100's place 6 and 1. The answer is 1681. Next question, 27 the whole squared can be written as 30 minus 3 the whole squared. So this is a minus b the whole squared. 30 squared minus 2 into a into b plus b squared. 30 squared is 900. Then 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. So minus 180 plus 9. Now 2 terms are in subtraction and 1 term is in addition. Okay, you can perform like this. 900 minus 180. 0 2 7. Then add 9. So 7 2 9, or else we can add 900 plus 9. So we will be getting 909. Subtract 180. Then also 9 2 7, 729. However, look at the sign and do it properly. The answer is nothing but 729. The product of 27 whole squared is nothing but 729. Now 23 into 17. So two numbers are there, no squares. Definitely we have to go with the identity. This one, that is x plus a into x plus b is nothing but x squared plus a plus b of x plus ab, this identity. Now take 23 plus 17 can be written as 20 plus 3 23 and 20 minus 3 7. 17. 20 minus 3 17. So either this one, or you can use the identity this also. Now to this is x, this is x, then a and b both are same with a different sign, so we can go with the identity a plus b and a minus b. We no need to go with x plus a, x plus b. We can choose a plus b into a minus b. You know that a plus b, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, is nothing but a squared minus b squared. Here our a is 20, our b is 3. So our answer is a squared minus b squared. 20 squared minus 3 squared. So 20 square is 400 minus 9. So you will be getting 193, 391 as the answer. 391. Now 135. How to get this as easiest one? You can go with a plus b plus c also. Otherwise 140 minus 5 or 100 plus 35. Anything. Whichever is easy, you can do that. We will go with 3 identities. 3 terms. That is 100 plus 30 plus 5 the whole squared. So a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into c into a. So 10,000 plus 900 plus 25 plus 2 into 100, 200. 200 is into 30, 6,000 plus 2 into 3, 60. 60 into 3, 3,000 plus 2 5s are 10. 10 into 100, 1,000. Now go with the addition. 10,000, 900, 25, 6,000, 3,000, 1,000. So ones place 5, tens place 2, hundreds place 9, then thousands place remaining 2. 10,000 place remainder. So the answer is 20,925. My 97 squared is nothing but 100 minus 3 the whole squared is the easiest one. So 100 squared minus 2 into 100 into 3, a minus b the whole squared. So using that we can find the answer easily. 2 into 100, 200 into 3, 600 plus 9. Now 10,000 minus 600 will give 400, 9,400, then plus 9. So 9,409 is the answer. 9,409. Now 18 into 29 can be split as 20 minus 2, 18, then 20 plus 9, 29. So this is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So x squared plus a plus b of x plus ab. So we need to use this identity. What is our x here? Our x is nothing but 20. Our a is minus 2. Our b is nothing but 9. So use it. X squared plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So 400 plus minus 2 plus 9 is 7. 7 into 20 plus minus 18. 2 into 9 is minus 18. So 400 plus 140 minus 18. 400 plus 140, 540. 540 minus 18 will give 2, then 2, 5. So the answer is 522. Next question, 34 into 43. It can be split into 40 minus 6 and 40 plus 3. Once again we are getting the identity x plus a into x plus b. So 40 minus 6, 40 plus 3. In this our x is, what is our x? X is 40. A minus 6. B 3. So let's find the answer using the identity x squared 40 squared plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So 40 squared is 1600 plus minus 6 plus 3 will give minus 3 into 40. Then minus 6 into 3 is minus 18. So 1600 minus 120 minus 18. So the answer is 1600 minus 120 will give 0841. Once again minus 18 will give 2641, or else you can add two negative integer together, then we can subtract, which is minus 20 minus 18 is minus 138. Now 1600 minus 138. What will be the answer? 2, then 6, 4, 1. So both the way we are getting same answer, which is nothing but 1462. So the answer is 1462. 34 into 43, 1462. Next, 205 the whole squared. It can be written as 200 plus 5 the whole squared. A plus b the whole squared. A squared plus 2 into a into b plus b squared. So 40,000 40,000 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 and 2 0 plus 25. So when we are adding this, 42,025 is the answer. Third question, factor the following. So look at the terms. 9a squared is a square term. We can write this 3a the whole square. This is b squared. Then 4c squared is nothing but 2c the whole square. Now this term, so look at this one. This term is in minus, which means either A is positive. If A positive means B negative. If A negative, B positive. Then only we can get the term as in minus. Now this one, A and C both should be plus. Then only we can get plus. Or both should be minus. Minus into minus plus. Now the third term, last term, B and C. My negative means if A positive, B negative. If B positive, C negative. If C negative and C positive and B negative, then only we can get the negative term. So, which means, look at this one here. This is the key for us. Look at this one here. A and C both are same signs. If A is plus and C also plus. A is minus, C also minus. With A where B is there, they should be in different sign. With B where C is there, they should be in different sign. So we need to choose our integers. If A is positive, then B is negative and C is positive. A and C are both are same sign. And suppose if A is negative, B is positive and C is negative. Like that we need to choose the identity. Now in first way we can check it, which is 9A squared plus B squared plus 4C squared minus 6AB plus 12AC minus 4BC. Using our A positive, B negative and C positive, we can write this. A positive means 3A the whole square. B negative means by minus B the whole square. C positive 2C the whole squared plus 2 into A positive. So our A is 3A, our B is minus B. Then 2 into AC. Next AC, 12AC. So our A is 3A, our C is, what is our C? 2C plus next last term 4BC. So 2 into B is minus B and our C is 2C. Now check the multiplication, whether we are getting that or not. Here 9A squared, this one B squared, this one 4C squared plus. Okay, now here 3 2s are 6, 6 into minus 1 minus 6AB. Here 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12AC plus. Then here 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into this minus 4BC. Yeah, we got the same explanation. So this is nothing but 3A minus B plus 2C the whole squared. So the factor of the given one, 3A plus minus 2B plus 2C the whole squared. Suppose we are taking A and B both are negative. Let's see the expansion, what the answer we are getting there. That is 9A squared plus B squared plus 4C squared minus 6AB plus 12AC minus 4BC is nothing but, now our A is minus. So 3A the whole squared, B is plus B squared and C also minus 2C the whole squared. Then AB means our minus 3A into plus B. And next term AC. So 2 into our A is 3A, C is minus 2C. Last term BC. So 2 into our B is B and C is minus 2C. Let's check the product. What is the product here? 3A minus 3A squared is plus 9 and B plus 4C squared. Here 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 6 into 1 minus 6ab. Then 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12 AC. Here 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 AC. So here also we got the same expansion. So like this also we can factorize it, which is minus 3a plus b minus 2c the whole square. So these are the two things. We can expand this and get the given expansion. Now next question. Look at the first one, 16s squared. 16s squared is nothing but 16 is the square number, 4 is the whole square. Then 5t squared can be written as 25t squared. 25 also square number, which is 5t the whole square. Let's check the middle term. If suppose this is the middle, s and t involved here, so this should be the middle term. If we are checking, if our a is 4s and b is 5t, when we are checking 2 into AB, what we will be getting? 2 into 4s into 5t. Nothing but 8 5s are 40 st. Yes, we are getting 40 st. And look at this is very important. The middle term sign is minus. So we can factorize this 16s squared plus 25t squared minus 40st is nothing but 4s the whole squared plus 5t the whole squared minus 2 into 4s into 5t, which is nothing but 4s, and the middle term sign is minus, so minus 5t the whole squared. Don't give the sign of this. Don't give the sign of the square term. You should give the sign of the middle term, which is nothing but 4s minus 5t the whole squared. This is the factor of the given factorization of the given expansion. Next, r squared. If we are taking, this is first term r squared, this is our last term, square root of 42 squared. Then a is, suppose a is r, b is square root of 42. Then we need to get 2ab, nothing but 2 into r into square root of 42 is nothing but 2 square root of 42r. But we are not getting this middle term. So we cannot factorize this using a minus b the whole square. This is wrong. We have to go with the identity, which is nothing but x plus a into x plus b is not x squared plus a plus b of x plus ab. So our look at the last term, product term. Our product should be 42, which is minus 42, and sum should be minus 1. R coefficient is minus 1, so sum is minus 1. Let's see the factors of minus 42. Look at here, minus 42, which means when we are multiplying two number, if we are getting negative, means 1 should be the negative number. 1 into 42, we will be getting 42. Then 2 into 21 will give 42. Then 3 into 14, 42. 4 table we will not get. 6. 6 into 42, 42. But when we are adding this, suppose we need to get minus 42, which means here one of the factors should be negative. Either 1 is negative or 42 should be negative. 2 is negative or 21 should be negative. Look at the sum. Sum is minus 1, which means here greater number should have the negative sign. So plus 1 minus 42. plus 2 minus 21 plus 3 minus 14 plus 6 minus 7 will give the product minus 42. Let's check the sum. 1 minus 42 we will be getting minus 41. 2 minus 21 we will be getting minus 19. 3 minus 14, the answer is minus 11. Then 6 minus 7, the answer is minus 1. So this is our proper choice. That is 6 into minus 7 and 6 minus 7 is minus 1. So our required integers are A is 6 and B is minus 7. A is 6 and B minus 7. Now let's split the middle term. R squared plus 6R minus 7R minus 42. So when we are taking the common factor from this, R into R plus 6. R is the common factor, then minus 7 will be the common factor of next two terms. Minus 7 into R plus 6. Now the factors, now we are having two terms. For the two terms, the factors are nothing but R plus 6 into R minus 7. So this is the factorization of this one. If suppose after we finding this, we are not having any coefficient. 1 is the coefficient of R squared. So directly we can write R plus 6 into R minus 7, which is the factor for R squared minus R minus 42. Look at the next question. Here 49g squared is the square term, that is nothing but 7g the whole square. Then this is another square term, h squared. Let's take the middle term, 2, that is a, our a is 7g, our b is h, means 2 into ab, 2 into 7g into h is nothing but 14gh. So we are getting correct middle term. So we can go with a plus b the whole squared identity. For 49g squared plus 14gh plus h squared is equal to 7g the whole squared plus 2 into 7g into h plus h the whole squared is nothing but 7g plus h the whole squared. A plus, using a plus b the whole square identity, we can factorize the given expansion. Now once again we are having 6 terms. So look at the first one. Here we are having 64u squared, which is nothing but 8u the whole square. 121b squared, nothing but 11b the whole square. 4w square, nothing but 2v the whole square. Now here once again we need to confirm the signs of u, v, w, because first one term is negative and another negative, here positive, which means again when positive is there, v and w should have same sign. If v positive, w should be positive. If v is negative, w is negative, then only we will be getting plus sign. Before the term we will be getting plus sign, which means other than v and w, we are having the variable u. So u should be in different sign of v and w. So if we are taking u, v, w, means if u is negative, v positive and w also positive. If u is positive, v negative, w negative. Like that we can check the expansion. Suppose I am going to take u negative, means minus 8u the whole squared plus 11v the whole squared plus 2w the whole square plus 2 into first term uv term, so minus 8u into 11b plus 2 into uw minus 8u, then w 2w plus 2 into vw 11v and 2w. Let's check the product and compare that with the given question. This is nothing but 64u squared and 121v squared plus 4w squared, 2 into minus 8 minus 16, minus 16 into 11 is nothing but 16 and 16, 176. So minus 176 uv, then again 2 into minus 8 minus 16, minus 16 into 2 is minus 32. So minus 32 uw, then 2 into 11 22, 22 into 2 44, 44 vw. So we got the same explanation, which means we can factorize this either in this way. That is, one way is our u negative, so minus 8u, v positive 11v plus 2w the whole squared. This is one way of factorizing the given expansion. The other way, suppose I am taking my u as positive, I should take my v as negative and w also negative. So 2 into 8u into minus 11v plus 2 into 8 2 into plus 2 into 8u into w minus 2w plus 2 into v is minus 11v, w is minus 2w. Let's check the product and compare the original expansion. 64u squared plus 121v squared plus 4w squared plus 18 into 11, 176 minus plus into minus 176 uv, then 16 2s are 32 minus 32 uw, then see the product 32, here the product 176, 2 into 11 minus 22, minus 22 into minus 2 plus 44 vw. So we got the same expansion. So this can be factorized like this also. So factorization of this, if u is positive, 8u positive means v negative minus 11v minus 2w the whole square. These are the two factorization of the given expansion. Two different factorizations of the given expansion.